Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the family, welcome. My name is Dina. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my charm bag for my car. I made this charm bag with the intention to protect me and my car and whoever may be in my car when it is driven. I also made it to bring good luck to my car and prevent any sort of breakdowns, any sort of repairs that may have to go into it, because I recently had to spend a lot of money in repairs, and I actually made this bag to prevent further repairs when my car started making more noises. And maybe it was just luck, but it happened to be something very simple, and the piece was removed and my mechanic didn't charge me a single thing for it, and I was so excited. I'm very grateful I have an amazing mechanic. But I was definitely excited because I made this charm bag the morning before my car appointment, and it definitely felt like it worked. So I used a large blend of herbs in this charm bag. You don't have to use everything I use. You can use some of them, you can substitute, do whatever you feel called to do. I did use my pestle and mortar to blend the herbs together, although this is not necessary, but it was a process that I very much enjoyed and allowed me to really work my intention into all the herbs together. You're also going to need a pen and piece of paper to write down all your intentions. Whenever it comes to you, I like to write down that I'm protected, my car's protected, my car is lucky, my car is strong, my car runs really well, whatever you feel called to do. Think about this intention as you fold the piece of paper, and if you want to finish it off with a sigil, you're welcome to do that, but it's not completely necessary. You're going to need a bag. I used a black one for protection, and crystals of your choice. I chose to use Onyx, carnelian, and smoky quartz because these are crystals that I associate with protective and grounded energy, but use whatever you feel called to. And of course, spend time with each one to infuse your intention into them. You're going to make sure you add your piece of paper and your herbs to the bag as well. And then seal the bag up. And then you have your vehicle charm bag. I like to keep this where I can see it up front, but you can keep it in a closed compartment of the car if you don't want anyone else to see it. May this charm bag bring you good luck and protection, and remember to drive safe, guys. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.